What's this? Cooking oil. Okay, put some water, half water. Oh, stop. Okay, now you pour, come here to the camera. You pour this, I hold this, you pour this, and you see the oil floating right now. Oh, oh, okay, it's floating. Very nice beat, right? So this is a little bit like your soup. This is a little bit like your soup. Can you see? Floating like this. Cover it up. Cover it up. Now, this is housewives separating from the. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this inside here. And then you see, when I pour it, oh, suppose your mom cooked this, right? Cook soup. Gee, oil not so healthy. He said oil not so healthy. So, I'm only going to take the soup out. Can you see? So I'm going to take the soup out. Then only the soup comes out, right? And then the oil stays there. Okay, now I want you to try. Take out the soup, come here, and then you press this here, press. Yay! Stop! Oh, okay, there you are. Okay. Now, we find that these two liquid don't mix, right? Do they mix? No, okay. Oh, I'm going to put properly, so far you only broke one test tube. Okay, were you? No, you didn't break one test tube, more, maybe there was another good. Okay. Okay, now what we want to do is to have ice inside. And let's see ice. What happened to ice? Okay. So if we put a piece of ice here, what will happen? What happened?
Sink in
yeah, it will sink in the oil and float in water, right? It sinks in oil and float in water. Therefore, the density of water is greater than ice. That's why ice float in water. And then, the density of ice is denser than oil. So can you see? Did you notice anything or not? You tell me you notice anything or not. With the oil there, actually the ice is being lifted up. Usually with ice and water, the ice will sink quite deep inside, right? No? Let's see, okay. Let's say we just put, take a piece of ice. Take a piece of ice, yeah. Can you see? Come. Can you see that it sinks very deep inside? Yes? It sinks very deep, right? But when we pour the oil there, this is even the A-level student, JC find it difficult to explain. You see, if I put in the oil, then you will lift up the ice so that the ice doesn't sink so much inside, right? Yay! That is something that even JC find difficult to explain. Never mind. So we will leave this here and stop this.